So I've been married to a US citizen for about 2 years now. Previously, before that, I was on a H-1B visa.
Mm-hmm.
And then I tried to apply for an F-1 visa, for a student visa.
Right.
When that got denied, about 3 months later, me and my wife married.
Okay.
Since then, we've been struggling to put together money to apply for the green card. There's been various scenarios where we've had money, but she decided she wanted to spend the money on something else, and she's been kind of manipulative about it. And then this last month, we eventually had enough money to apply, and I've paid the lawyer his retainer fee, and now it's kind of got to the point where she's very much holding this application over my head to get her way, and I'm not really sure what the next step is. It just seems every day there seems to be an argument, something she's not happy about.
Well, obviously she's a control freak, that's for sure. Whether or not this control that whatever she's doing, rises to the level of unusual, extreme emotional abuse, I don't know. We would need to meet with you about it. But either it's going to be one of three. Either this control that you're referring to here, and we would have to interview you more off air to find out the specific instances, would rise to the level of extreme emotional abuse, and then you can file a VAWA case on your own. Or number two, work things out with your spouse. Go for counseling. There's a lot of marriage counselors that hopefully can work things out. It's worth trying. Or three, if it's not worth trying and you can't do a VAWA, then your only other alternative would be to get divorced and fall in love with somebody who won't be as controlling.
We actually have a child together, so I guess kind of divorcing and finding someone else, I wouldn't really be interested in.
Okay, so then what you need to do is go for counseling.
Okay.
Really, I'm serious. Have you spoken to her and say, honey, let's talk to a professional?
Honestly, I think we're past that point. She is now, from what I found out from other people, seeing other people.
Well, then there's no marriage anymore, so she's cheating on you. So then you need to get divorced and move on, or do an abuse case, one or the other. Maybe the cheating and the control and maybe some other things, maybe that rises to the level of extreme emotional abuse. It's possible.
Right. And then how would I? So I know for VAWA right now, that's obviously
it's on hold.
With the government shutdown,
it's on hold until there's a. But once the government reopens, part of it is going to be to extend VAWA. So I wouldn't overly worry about it. I would start thinking about putting that together.
No.
All right.
Okay.
Hold on. We can
Thank
help
you very much.
Or you can speak to your lawyer in Kansas City. One or the other. Hold on.